this is Jar from Giraffe Creations. Welcome to my studio. My craft room is a work in progress, and this is what it looks like at the beginning of 2019. Please keep in mind that this has been a work in progress since March of 2018, so this is about a year in the making. Me changing my mind and rearranging and such, but I think I found the perfect balance for me. My room, and I'll just give you a panoramic view, it used to be my daughter's room. She went away to college and she gave me her room, and she took my very small old scrap room because she figured she wasn't going to be here as much. So thank you, buddy. I love my new scrap room, and let me walk you through it real quick. My scrap room is very much Ikea inspired. There's a lot of Ikea here. This is an Ikea Pax unit. It's a cabinet and there's two doors and you open them up. This is Ikea Kallax units. This is a 2x4, and then I have a 4x4 at the bottom, and then I have a 2x4 on the top. That's how close to the ceiling it is. And then at the far left, I guess, because that's the left of the room, I don't know, far away over there, those are two Kallax units, the ones that are wider on top of each other. And that thing is also Ikea, but I don't know how to use it because it doesn't fit within the Kallax holes. I have more Kallax for you. This is another 2x4, and I have a table on top of it, and I have risers, like bed risers. And I did this. This is quite cool. These are my punches. I don't have enough room for my punches, and I did this with, this is, I can't even explain it. This is part of like a unit that you use cubes, but they hold really nicely. So just if you're interested in having some room. So this is another 2x4, like I said. I keep some things under there. That's for spraying. One of my cutters for stamping up, and then some paper, and that needs to be put away. And this is another Kallax unit. There's my camper and vacuum cleaner, shop vac, or whatever you call it. And then that's my sewing section, which I don't really sew, but I'm into mixed media now, so that's what we're doing. And if you come and play with me, there's a spot for you there. And then this is my desk right there, where I do most of my things on my TV. And that's the mess that I have to clean up now, because that's stuff that I'm going to sell. So let's not look at that part of it all. I hope you liked this very quick video about my new scrap room. I'll do a little bit more of you right here. My Copic markers are on Be Creative trays, I think that's what they're called. I love it. And these are from, I don't know what they're called. It's not Organize More. It's the other company. Gee, I'm a great film maker. All right, I don't know who I bought them from. Stamp and Storage. That's who they are. Stamp and Storage. And here is where I keep my wet stamp cleaner. And I got that in Spain. I love it. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for you, peeps. Some of them are empty. I'm still organizing, but the more I do, the more I share with you. So we will see. I have some ideas. Maybe some people would like to do this as well. I needed my drawer to be for things that are taller, so I just took the other drawer off and I put it here. Had I thought about it though, I would have not installed this part here. And then I would just done something to make it work for here, but I will figure that out. Anyway, that is, I love that unit. It's huge, it's humongous. I love it. It goes all the way to the top of my room. I'm gonna put doors there and there, and I can move some of those things and hide them. But I lost the screws, so I have to find them. Because that's real life for you. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you liked it. More details coming. Adios. Bye-bye. Gracias.